Ready? Open up.
So you are the parole officer, the lawyer, right? Or state your reason why you're here.
I'm here to see the prisoner.
Understood. I'll let you know this man is very dangerous and he will tickle booty. So be careful, and that's my last warning. Are you sure about this, sir?
Positive, 100%.
Understood. Good luck. Hey, you fuckhead. He's here to see you.
It's you. It's been 9 years.
Damn, motherfucker, you come out here, mess up a homeboy's crib, 9 years? Oh, fuck, I don't care. This is my home, bro. This is the American prison system on cut. You see, bro, I can get free figures. I got a whole ass box full of like anime shit. I got cars. I got more cars than fucking Jay Leno's fucking big chin ass motherfucker. And you know what I'm saying? You know, why the hell would I get out of here, bro? Free healthcare, free cars? Yeah, I committed the crime, but who gives a fuck? I'm here, and I'm living free, and the home of the brave. But you know what? Maybe come here, Mr. Lawyer. You want to see the horrible condition I'm in? Maybe you want to get into my life, a little thrill of crime. Let's go then. Let's check my crib. So, welcome, kids. Welcome to Cocker Cribs, the thrill of crime. I'm your host. My name is Charu. You haven't seen me for a long time. Been away doing some bad stuff, cut. But you know what? I'm coming here to show you my little new house, my new living spaces in jail cell number 1245 of a blue, what do they call this place again? Blue Waffle Penitentiary Prison Island, Kaku. But you know what? I'll show you what I need to survive here. First of all, I have my special little box, Home Depot. We got some anime figures. Got some stuff, you know, the good stuff, but most importantly, I have some of my reading materials for my Japanese classes. First of all, Chainsaw Man, amazing, Sutekina series. Fuck Dr. Stone, I hate Dr. Stone. But Chainsaw Man, amazing series. This is stuff you want to read when you're in jail, and all the other crap is shown in jail. Did I tell you Chainsaw Man? Very good. And you put that back, and they have some other stuff, anime figure given by one of my compatriots, but that's not what we came here to see. First of all, I have another thing that used for survival, my thrust master. If you can see, as a man who needs, who needs to practice his manual transmission driving, even though I don't have a TV here, a thrust master. It makes me feel like I'm right at home. That's the shit I love. And I can keep my sandals on top. My little sandals on top, you know what I'm saying? Keep my sandals on top.
More to come after the commercial break.
ご予約はまだのようですな。ペルソナ4
Now back with your featured presentation of Thrill or Crime.
Alright, whenever I'm bored, you know what I try to do? I build Legos. Like Mr. Wang, you know? Brick Life, Moix, you know that? I don't, because that shit was irrelevant. But, so then I build my Lego 911, but not the right kind though, not the wrong kind. You feel me? You dig, cuh? You dig, cuh? And then in the side here, you can see this is where I keep my car collection. You know, I'm still a car enthusiast, even in jail. I got all kind of cars. I got an M3. I got a CRX. I got everything, baby. You know, this is the life, bro. $60 rent, never $60 home, never went back to it. 10 years going clueless. But no, that's the most not important, essential to living in prison. You know, in prison, they exchange money, they exchange other things, but you know what else they exchange? Anime figures.
So we're looking at the legality of these features, and in order for a crib to be legal under Blue Waffle Penitentiary Prison Island Kaku's standards, it has to have a few things for the prisoner. For one, it needs to have entertainment. It doesn't have to be severe, but it has to be enough to keep them from, you know, doing extra crimes. We can't have that here.
Alright, but before the anime figures, the part everyone's been waiting for, I gotta explain, see, this is my little bed. This is called a love sack. A love sack, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no hoes, but I got a love sack, you feel me? That's not the only thing that girls be wanting to lay on, you know what I'm saying?
Now, of course, every prisoner needs his most important thing, which is his bedding situation. Without a bedding situation, the prisoner cannot sleep. And while this is a prison, it is not a torture chamber, and if the prisoners don't sleep, neither do the guards, neither does the public once these prisoners get out and are vicious and ready to go. We make it comfortable here, because why would you want to break out if you have a nice comfy bed in this beautiful little pod?
But you know, that's another thing. I forgot to show you guys what else I have in here. I know back in the day, I used to be a part of this group called like Cum Gang or some shit like that, and we had like this whole ass silverware and some shit. But that was the past, and this is my prized possession, is my sword. I use it to stab a like little homosexual kid. It's pretty funny. But yeah, don't tell the guards I'm not supposed to have this. But this is a memento of the past.
Wait, he has you didn't see that. Don't worry about it.
But now let's get back to the part you've been waiting for. Let's go. Ah, okay, now I'll catch you waiting. Well, let's talk about anime. Alright, come here. As you can see, I have accumulated a lot of stuff, anime stuff, over the years, you know what I'm saying? I got stuff to masturbate to, stuff I take shit on, anything, bro, everything. You know, anime is part of the currency here. The guards think we're just using them for like pissing and stuff, but no.
The other thing that's required is for the prisoner to be capable to use the restroom. And that is exactly why we have these Hot Wheels and anime figures. Because without them, the prisoner would have nothing to do, and it would just be all over the floor. Instead, it's used with the proper things, junk and garbage, just like poop. Of course, this is why it's provided under state law. However, some prisoners, let's just say, they like to play with their poop.
That's a currency. I traded like, I got 10 pounds of crack cocaine from like not crack cocaine, silly powder. We call it silly powder out here. I traded one of my figures, and in this exchange I got a Ram. I don't even like ReZero, but you know what? I got a, hey, right here. We got Ram, baby. Ram Charger, baby. Ram Charger. Let's go, Rams. But you know what? All this greatness, but still there's only one thing I really want to know. Take it away.
Minasan, everybody, I know you've been waiting for this moment. It's time for you, the viewer, to decide the next episode of Figma Figure Review. Well, it could be another one, but it's probably gonna be a Figma. Anyway, why don't we take a look at the cast and the roster and see who you, the viewer, get to vote for. I'm so excited.
Ochaku Uraraka from My Hero Academia. And for the next one, we leave. This one is for the cliche boys. Ram from ReZero These Nuts. And this one is our final true classic fans. who like to keep it very 100% in persona. It is Makoto Nijima from Persona 5.
That's it, everybody. You heard it here first. Your decision could be the next figure review.
You know what? We got so many options. We gotta leave it up to the game. What do people want to see? You feel me? You dig it, bro?
I dig it, bro.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
So we got Makoto, you got Ram, up your ass, and then you got Ochako. And you know what? Get ready. Maybe next week you get the greatest cock video of all time. Isn't that right, Ginger?
That's right. So get ready, y'all, because it could be you. Your decision.
Your
next
decision
time.
matters. This is cock democracy. Yeah. So when am I getting out of here?